Hey y'all, it's your girl Chrissy Too Real, and I'm back with another story time. Let's get this party started. Let me get my wine. Today I'm gonna be using slurping back that yak, but it's gonna be white, baby. Go ahead and get the last little bit of this. I got a whole bunch of story times and videos and everything to do tonight. It is Friday and I'm in the house, and why not get these videos out the way, because I haven't been on social media lately, you know, because girl, every time I get on here y'all want to call my back fat. I know I'm big right now, my back is heavy and wide, but I take pride in how my men slide down my backside. Anyway, let's get into the video. Yeah, catch your back. Y'all already know. One of my subscribers, one of my friends on here, I saw y'all in the comments down below. Y'all said, it just ain't right if you ain't squeezing no lemon juice out your lymph nodes. I feel you on that. Anyway, before we get into this video is a rape video. It is about a guy I met online that tried to steal my coochie cat. And y'all, this was a disturbing story, but y'all know that I am one of those people that I use my sense of humor for me to get past things. I've always been like that. I make a joke about something or whatever. This is not a laughing matter, but please don't be offended by how I cope with things. And that's just how it is. I might crack a joke, I might do that. I'm one of those people, literally one of those people that I laugh so I won't cry. So y'all, don't take offense in this video. If you are sensitive, you might want to click off of this video, because it is about a sexual assault that was done on me, that happened to me, and it was not a happy story or a happy time, but I got through it, and yeah, come on out. Anyway, let's get into the story. Okay, y'all, so let's get into this story like I was saying. Okay, so I met this guy online. Well, first off, let's talk about how I met this guy. First of all, I had went to Jacksonville, Florida to see an ex or whatever. I was down to see my best friend, but I ended up the ex guy that I'm talking about in this story, let's just call him Chris. Okay, so he was like, let's go on a date or whatever. I get on the date. This is another story time. I get on the date. This man got another girl on the damn date. What? How many people on the date? Anyway, let's just pause that story. I do that story time after this. But anyway, so I cussed him out after I got them free drinks and food off of them. Anyway, next case. Anyway, so I go to my best friend's house and I get a message on my Facebook. Boom, right on time, baby. So it was this guy. He was cute or whatever. So I'm like, okay. So, but I'm wishy-washy when it comes to people online. I ain't finna be just up and talking to you, but I will talk on the phone or whatever if you got good talking skills. And I was already riled up and upset about the situation that just happened. So he was like, let me call you. You know, we was going back and forth, and he was like, how long we gonna stay in the inbox? So I finally gave up the number. Tay the head got the number. Nah, I don't wanna holler at no mother effing trick. He all over there smelling like Bunky and Hennessy. Okay, my bad. Sidetrack. Okay, so we go to talking on the phone. He had good conversation. I was telling him about the situation that just happened, and you know what I'm saying, we end up talking like that every day for like months, y'all. Finally, He was like, let me please take you on a date, because I wouldn't let him come to my house or take me on a date. Okay, so I finally said, okay. He was like, just let me take you to the movies then. I don't got to come to your house or nothing. So I met up with him. He was still cute. You know what I'm saying? Shoes was a little dusty, but he wasn't musty. You feel me? So I was like, okay, that's always a win. You know, maybe the shoes was just bruised up because, you know what I'm saying, you been out there working hard. You know what I'm saying? And he had on this little, I don't know, baby. I was looking like, you cute. Yo, his hands was about this big. I'm telling you, he could have slapped all of us that's watching this video and just went back in the house. Through us, just opened up the screen door and went in the house and watched TV or something. The hand was just so big. So I was like, the shoes was dusty, but baby, shoe was long as hell. Dog, sir, you play ball? Greg was tall. Just look up at him. He was a nice looking man. Let's do that. Not better than my man I got now, though, sir. Better know that. He just was a regular, nice looking man. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? But you was a predator. But let's get into this tea. Okay, so we go out on a movie date. Everything was fine, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Everything was fine. He paid for the movie. He was a perfect gentleman. He was a nice looking man, just well behaved, just a gentleman, y'all. So after that, he was like, let me take you on another date the next day. I'm like, no, I don't, We went on a date, okay. So more weeks go by of us just talking. I'm getting to know him. Like, at this point, I trust you more because we done been talking. It's about to go on 6 months, y'all. This is no lie. This is a long time that we've been talking. So finally, he was like, well, let me cook for you. How about I buy the stuff and we cook it at my house or at your house or whatever. So I'm like, okay, well, you could come to my house. I finally agreed to let this boy come to my house because he hadn't did nothing wrong, y'all. He was doing everything right. So I said, okay, you could come to my house or whatever. And, you know, me and my cousin lived together. And so I knew she would be there in case we both had to bust you upside the head and throw your body outside and I had to tell the cops why I killed you. You feel me? Anyway, so he come over there. He cooked. We made brownies. He cooked this curry shrimp or something. I can't recall, baby, but he cooked something good and it was good and I tore it down. Well, at this point, I don't know if I tore it down or not. We're going to get into it. So he take his plate in my room. I had a little seating area in there, you know. I had a little chair in there, and I had my bed. You can sit on the edge of the bed. At this point, I trust you, so we going there. We gonna watch a movie. He took his plate in there. I took my plate. I took my drink in there. I hadn't made my place, but me and my cousin started talking in the kitchen. And, you know, I wanted to get the tea, baby. So me and her talked for about 10 minutes, and then I finally fixed my plate and went in the room. I was so thirsty that night, y'all. I don't know why I was thirsty, but baby, we had red Kool-Aid. That ain't nothing to be played with these tonsils and throat area. Baby, I guzzled that back. I was so thirsty. Now, this is where stuff gets strange. After I drunk my drink, okay, y'all, I cannot remember nothing. It was like I went to sleep. When I woke, okay, let me tell you, when I woke up, hours had passed, but I did not know how I even fell asleep. I don't even know if I ate my food. I can't even remember, like, stuff I can't remember. But back then, I used to take a lot of, like, sleeping pills and stuff because my sleeping pattern was so off from working that CNA job and driving hours to go work it that I would have to take sleeping pills. So I had a high tolerance to, like, sleeping pills. So I don't know. All I know was I felt, y'all, this is no lie, I felt something trying to penetrate me. Sir, what's going on? I didn't have no pants on, and I thought I remember having on, I don't know, y'all. I ain't even finna sit up here and lie. I know I had on clothes, but at that moment when I woke up, it was no pants on me. It was just underwear or whatever. But I felt somebody trying to, like, push them to the side and slide up. Baby, I know it. If, baby, my body rose up. and I was ready to uppercut. You feel me? Girl, I must have startled the boy because I rose up and he was like scared, and I felt something like go away from me. Like whatever he was trying to do, it went away, and I felt like something wet on me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, what the hell? I felt somebody trying to move my underwear and try to go up. Baby, let me tell you something. If I wouldn't have woke up, baby, that boy would have went up in there. You feel me? So I instantly started cussing and screaming, girl, because at this point, I don't know what's going on. But all I know was you was trying to have sex with me, sir. And I don't play that. Don't play with me, sir. First of all, I liked you. You ain't even have to steal the cat. I probably would have gave you the cat. But baby, you gonna try to steal the cat? Snatch it right on back. Not even trying to be funny, y'all, but dang, sir. It wasn't that serious. You ain't had to do all that. I probably would have did a little razzle dazzle. So anyway, the boy was saying, no, Chris, I would never. I didn't. He was constantly saying, swearing up and down he did nothing to me, girl. But at this point, I was cut. I told him, baby, you got to get the stepping. You get up out of here. Baby, I'm cussing and carrying on. Baby, my cussing expertise was like a sailor, baby. I about wanted to go upside that boy's head. But I was so confused and I didn't feel well. I don't know. I was a little loopy, but even when I talked to my cousin, she heard what was going on. Even when I talked to her, she was like, are you sure that he did? Yes, I don't recall, but I know what I felt and I know what was going on. I'm not that crazy. So he still tried to contact me or whatever. It was, baby, that's it. You can't even breathe my way, sir. So, y'all, what happened? Months later, this boy contacted me, and I don't know what type of guilt he had on him or what was going on, but he just was like, Chrissy, I just really want to apologize for what happened. Well, what happened? If you saying you ain't do nothing, then why you apologizing? What happened then, sir? Like, even to this day, I'm still kind of confused about what happened, but all I know was, y'all, in my gut, it just did not sit right with me. I don't know what happened. I don't know how I woke up, but baby, kitty pop, God must have bust me upside the head, boop, boop. Because when I sat up in that bed, that Negro was scared. I woke him up. He was scared, y'all. He was looking at me like he was shocked that I startled him when I hopped up. Because baby, all I felt, baby, you know what? My coochie woke me up. She said, baby, okay now, I ain't saying I'm all that, but baby, I ain't finna let you just climb up in here unannounced like that. Baby, my coochie woke me up. Girl, he tried to steal my coochie. Like, sir. And I know this is a serious matter, but this is just how I cope with stuff, y'all. But to this day, I promise you, I still don't know what happened. But when he went to apologizing in that inbox, I knew you had to do something, because you wouldn't be apologizing for nothing. But before then, that boy was telling me hard down. He did nothing. All this, y'all. This is no lie. I would have never thought something weird like that would happen to me, because this boy gave me no signs or none of that. So, you know what? This was years ago. I'm 32 now. This happened when I was in my early 20s. But still, no. I don't trust nobody. And I ain't trust people then. So, ladies, be careful, because there's some predators out here. And you know what? It's 10 times worse now. So, please be careful, ladies, because, baby, when I tell you that boy was a perfect gentleman, and I would have never thought you would try me up like that. I don't give a darn. Ladies, I don't give a darn what you got on, what you was in there doing. Baby, no is no. Even though my situation was different, but still, I just really don't know. I was so sleepy. I ain't never been that sleepy and just went to sleep like that. I don't know. I really don't know, y'all. But anyway, y'all, I will see you guys in the next video. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know how you felt about this story, what you think went on up in there. I'm just glad that that's in my past. I haven't seen this boy since then and don't want to see you, sir. I don't care what you say, baby. I know what you try to do. Point blank, period. But that's it. Don't even, I didn't say no names in here. Wouldn't ever speak your name or say anything about you. I just know that you don't exist to me, and that was foul. And if y'all women out there got to go through stuff like that could have been something extremely worse than that. Like, I could have just stayed sleeping in it and woke up and my cat was gone, and you just got what you wanted, sir, without me having nothing to do with it. Anyway, y'all, thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for always showing me some love, and I love you guys. To all my supporters, see you in the next video. Peace.